How do you choose the best email marketing software from hundreds of options? In this video, I'll review one tool that will become your perfect partner in achieving results. If you're looking to work faster, more efficiently, and achieve impressive outcomes, don't miss this review. Ready to learn more? Then stay with me.
In today's digital world, where the competition for customer attention grows fiercer every day, successful engagement with your audience has become a crucial factor for business growth. Netcore Customer Engagement is a tool that helps brands not just interact with their customers, but create personal, emotional, and long-lasting relationships. If you are looking to improve your communication and increase customer loyalty, this is the software you need. Netcore Customer Engagement is a powerful platform for automating customer interactions that helps businesses communicate effectively across multiple channels from email to mobile apps. The core idea behind Netcore is to provide maximum personalization at every stage of the customer journey. But that's not all. This software helps you better understand your customers by offering advanced tools for analytics and segmentation. One of Netcore's biggest advantages is the ability to engage customers across multiple channels. This means you can interact with them through email setup campaigns that automatically send messages based on specific triggers, SMS quick messages for promotions or important updates, mobile push notifications, personalized reminders and offers directly to the customer's smartphone, web push notifications, a convenient way to bring customers back to your site through timely messages. Thanks to omni-channel strategies, Netcore allows you to reach your audience where it's most convenient for them, which significantly increases engagement. Netcore allows you to create individual strategies for each user. With machine learning and AI technology, you can analyze customer behavior and send them relevant messages. Imagine that each of your customers receives exactly the offers and information they are truly interested in. This is the level of personalization that Netcore ensures. Netcore offers detailed analytics that allow you to track customer actions in real time. This helps you understand which products or services your audience is most interested in and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. You can see how customers respond to different campaigns, allowing you to tailor the perfect approach to communication. What works better, a short promotional message or a detailed product description? With Netcore's A/B testing, you can try out different approaches and select the most effective one. Test various designs, content types, and delivery times to maximize conversions. Another unique feature of Netcore is its powerful AI tools. These technologies allow the software to automatically select the best ways to interact with each customer, predict their actions, and even help you create ideal marketing strategies. Automation allows you to set up interaction processes once, and they will run smoothly on their own. One of the main goals of any business is not only to attract customers, but also to retain their loyalty for a long time. Netcore helps you achieve this through several key elements. Every customer receives only the offers that interest them. Thanks to the individual approach, customers feel valued. Netcore allows you to automatically send messages in response to customer actions. For example, if a customer hasn't completed a purchase on your site, the system will automatically remind them about it. It's essential to know what your customers think. Netcore helps you easily gather feedback and conduct surveys to measure satisfaction. Netcore easily integrates with other platforms and CRM systems, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. You can decide how your customer interaction processes will look. Automation of many processes saves you time on routine tasks. If you ever have questions or issues, Netcore's support team is always ready to help. Imagine this. Your online store has just launched a new clothing collection. You want to ensure that customers know about it and are interested in making a purchase. With Netcore, you can send personalized email campaigns to customers who have previously bought clothing from your store. Launch a web push notification campaign for those who visited your site but didn't make a purchase. Use mobile push notifications to remind regular customers about exclusive discounts. Use SMS to remind customers about a sale ending soon. With such a multi-channel strategy, you can be sure that every customer will receive their message in the most convenient way. If you work in e-commerce, banking, media, or any other industry where customer engagement is crucial, this software will help you improve the effectiveness of your communication. Netcore Customer Engagement is a tool that will help you build stronger connections with your customers, increase their loyalty, and boost conversion rates. With omnichannel engagement, personalization, and powerful analytics, you'll better understand your customers and provide them with the solutions they truly need. Want to stay updated with more awesome tools like this? Subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.